Hello, welcome back to the channel. Today we're carrying on working on those cosworth brakes that don't fit, but now we've got an important missing part. And this is the part in question. This is a bracket that supposedly adapts my two-wheel drive non-cosworth uprights to work with the Cossie 4-pot calipers. So let's give them a go and find out.
I probably should have checked that those brackets were actually going to work before I started recording this video, because it turns out they really just don't. They'll go on the calipers just one way, but then they don't fit the uprights at all. They'll go on the uprights a couple of different ways, but then they don't fit the calipers. So basically, they're just an absolute waste of time, and I've sent them back. Cossie 4-pots onto standard uprights just don't fit.
I have a cunning plan to solve the problem.